1-1, write variable expressions from a diagram. Number 2, write an expression that represents the length of the green line. Make sure you combine like terms. So let's look at A here. We see that we have a small black piece, which is represented by the variable m. Then we have a longer piece, which is the variable 5m. So if we add this small piece of m plus the 5m, the reason why we plus them is because we are adding them or combining them, whichever word that you see. This is going to be equal to that green line here. So this is going to be the green line. Okay, this is what it would look like, right? But we just want an expression. If you take a look, it says just an expression. So they would just like this part. So that green line is just made up of m plus 5m. Let's take a look here. B. Well, this time we're also trying to find the green line, but we have the letter U, which is the total here. And then we have the green line. Okay. And it looks like the blue line here, the blue line was remove. And the math symbol for remove is the subtraction, okay, or the -9. This can be seen as a removal of the line of the 9 blue line, okay, and that's going to be equal to our green line. All right. And we just want the expression, so let's just have it as u minus 9 as the expression to represent that green line for B. C. We have the black lines here that are made up of U, 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 U. Then we have the blue line. Then we have the green line. Well, we have a U here, and a U here, and a U here, and a U here, and a U here. So let's add them together. U plus U plus U plus U plus U. Okay. Then we have that blue line. Here's the blue line. We removed it. We're going to remove it. That's the reason why we have the subtraction, the 13, and that's going to be equal to the green line. Okay. But we can combine some terms, the U plus U, 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 U. This all can combine to just get us 5u. Okay. So the 5u minus the 13, which is that blue line, is going to be equal to that green line. And this would just be the expression for it. Letter D, same thing here. We have the C plus the C plus the U plus the U. Then we are going to now remove this blue line of 10. So we're going to subtract 10. And that's going to be equal to the green line. We can combine some like terms. So the C plus C becomes 2C. Then we can combine the U plus the U, giving us 2U. Then we can just minus the 10, and that's going to give us our green line. That would just be the expression.